like the rest of them a motherfucking sheep. Cogging the machine, clone you be, as if you were a faker, just a clone of your neighbor. Keeping up with Jones and worry about it later. Gotta do it right, gotta do what's normal. Follow the pack, follow when your dreams will hurt you. Follow the rules, be home by curfew. Go to school, get a job, have all the same worldviews.
I have never been the same. Never been the same. I have never been the same. Never been the same.
I can't do the normal, the boring. I can't do the introvert home thing. I can't do the go by propane, so we can barbecue on Sunday the whole day. I can't do the 9 to 5. I can't do the morning drive. I can't do the office thing unless I own those offices. I can't do the regular. I can't do the normal shit. I can't do anything I want, but I can be.
Never been the same. Never been the same. I have never been the same. Never been the same.
I wake up every day free, not a care in the world. 8 cars in the driveway and the prettiest girl. Life's what you make it, I'm happy with mine. I can never be you, you can never be I. You look down on me, you feel pity and low. What you don't realize is I pity you more. I'm happier than anyone I've known. I'm more free than any bird that's flown. I make my own happiness, my own pride, my